Hello all, as summer is here, we will prepare something with ripe mango today. Let's start with the mango yogurt recipe. For this we need the following ingredients. 1 ripe mango chopped into cubes, 1 to 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 and a half cup of fresh yogurt or curd, red chili powder, few chopped coriander leaves, half tablespoon of black salt and half tablespoon of regular salt. So to start with, let's take a bowl and add yogurt to it. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar, half tablespoon of regular salt, half tablespoon of black salt, a pinch of red chili powder and mix it well. Now add the mango cubes. Add few chopped coriander leaves and mix it properly. You can always increase or decrease the amount of sugar and salt based on the freshness of the yogurt. So the mango yogurt recipe is ready to eat. Garnish it with few more coriander leaves and enjoy the summer. Hope you all like this video. Please click the like button and share and subscribe for the upcoming recipes. Goodbye.